Morning. It was a bit chilly last night. I don't know if it's because I've crossed the mountains to the southern side or because it's not forested here, it's quite open, or maybe the weather has just changed, but it was decidedly nippy. Today, hopefully I'm going to stay out of all military trouble. I'm returning to the coast with all its ruins and churches and whatnot, and hopefully I'll find a camp on the beach tonight. How has this happened? I didn't even notice anything when I unlocked the wheel from the tent this morning. Twin holes. That's a pinch flat, is it? I found him. Don't know if you can see that. But I can't find him on this side. So I found the separate puncture and then the double puncture, which I must have given when I removed the tube. I've never done that before removing the tube. It's always been when I put the tyre back on if I've had to use levers, but I didn't do that on this occasion. So I found the 3 holes, went to patch them, but I guess my tube must have still been a bit too damp because I just could peel the patch straight back off. So that's a bit of a waste. So instead of patching 3 holes in this already patched tube, I'm going to put my new good tube in, hopefully get a replacement maybe in this town if I'm lucky. I'm in a terrible mood. The sun's coming out though, so maybe things are looking up. I don't understand, sometimes it just flops into place so easily. I'll give the cob a clean while I'm here. Almost 2 hours later, packed up, ready to go, but there's a thunderstorm brewing. I'm so over it. I need a shower. I feel absolutely disgusting. I need to do some laundry. If I can find a hotel at almost any price, I'm gonna just call it a day.
Hold on. If you don't send, tamam. Hadi bay bay.
Teşekkürler. This kindly man took me on an ultimately fruitless search for a replacement tube. Not open. Feeling quite pathetic today, but I found somewhere warm and dry with a burger and chips and Wi-Fi. I've changed my name. There's no hotel in town. I'm not having the best day. Fellini burger. This is gonna help. Can I have a little look?
Huh?
Can I look?
Ama is that ticket? Museum's ticket.
Teşekkürler. The key to this church is held by the adjacent archaeological museum, which I don't want to visit. And they've just opened it up for somebody else, but I'm not allowed to have a look inside without buying a ticket to the museum. Sitting in a burger place, feeling very sorry for myself with wet clothes and no prospect of a guest house or hotel tonight. Feeling very sorry for myself, and I met a superb gentleman named Gilan. Sorry, hello if you're watching. Lovely Pakistani guy who came up to me and said, "You're living my dream." And I nearly cried because I am so lucky, and every time I forget how lucky I am, It feels like the universe sends somebody to remind me to get my shit together and stop being such a whinger, because I am so lucky and I do get to go pretty much wherever I want, and it is an enviable life. And sometimes my feet are wet and I get a puncture and I feel very sorry for myself and I feel a bit homeless and I haven't got anywhere to go and be warm. But this is only a temporary feeling, and the longer term reality is that I'm free to go where I please, do what I want, and it is justifiably the envy of many. And so thank you for the reality check, Gilan. It was a pleasure to meet you. Oh, yes. It's been a big tough day, so I've got good wine, good chocolate, average noodles, a sea view, somewhere dry. Let's try the wine. Got it on special, it's half price. I have high hopes. Turkish Shiraz. Doesn't smell of anything. Yes, good wine. Well, this feels pretty civilised. Eating my dinner at a table and chair with a light on. I think it's solar powered. Haven't been able to find an outlet. Good wine, good chocolate. These noodles have no flavour. If I'm going to keep eating noodles, I'm going to have to start carrying some chilli paste. So it's a good way to end the day. And to top it off, I have a new patron supporter, or rather a return patron supporter. Dale, thank you so much for supporting me. Welcome back to my Patreon page. Thank you, it means the world to me, and your timing could not be better. Cheers, Dale. Cheers, everyone.